Enjoy the view of this 2015 Chrysler 200. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This stylish 200 delivers a relaxing driving experience thanks to its smooth performance and quiet, spacious cabin. Convenient and easy to love, this sleek sedan is perfect for your daily commute. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel relaxed and ready to take on the day in this comfortable, well-equipped 200. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.